Let's explore the All User tab first. In this section, you will see various filters such as All User, Verified, Non-Verified, and Not My User. The All User filter lists everyone in your MDO. By clicking on the plus icon next to a user, you can view their details. If you need to update any information, simply click the Edit button. Make the necessary changes and then click the Update button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes to save your change. To onboard new users, click the Create User button. You can choose between individual creations or bulk creation. Let's walk through the individual creation process. Fill in the required details like full name, email, mobile number, designation, group, and the other non-mandatory details. Next, select the appropriate role for the user and click Create User to finalize. For bulk uploading, click on Bulk Creation. Start by uploading the sample file, which contains two files, default values and sample values. Fill in the user details in the sample values file using the reference from default value. Once completed, save the file and upload it in the browser file section. An OTP will be required for verification, and upon successful verification, the user will be onboarded. After onboarding, click the file logs to review any unnecessary entries and understand the reason for any failed onboarding attempts. Now, let's dive into an approval section under the User tab. Here, you will find profile verification and transfers. In the Profile Verification tab, you can review and manage requests for verification of users, group, and designation. Click the plus icon to review each request, then choose to approve or reject. In case of rejection of the request, you will be asked to state your reason for rejection in the pop-up message and click on the Submit button. In case of approval of the request, update the user by clicking on the Update button at the bottom. The Transfer tab is where you manage transfer requests from users. Accepting a transfer request will assign the user to your MDO. The Profile Verification tab also includes a bulk profile update option.